Welcome to some new features for RAD. This is February the 1st, 2015, and today we introduce a couple of new features, one of them being Edit Cover. That's a new button, and it's quite simple really, should be. Just drag a photo onto the cover, and this is the front of the album, this is the back of the album, and that you can zoom in and reposition your photo, save and exit, and now you have a cover for your flip album. But you can be more specific. You can say I want to have a cover for a QT album, say 25 by 25, and RAD knows that I already did 15 spreads, but otherwise you can change the parameter here. I'm going to leave it at 15. And you can see also the pixel dimensions are mentioned here in case you want to do something in Photoshop. But these guidelines on the right, they show you where this photo is wrapped around the cover. So you can also see where the spine is. So I'm happy with that. So I'll click Save and Exit. And what you see here in your flipbook is the right half of the cover photo. The public album, the one you share with your client, gives you more what you see is what you get picture. So the parts of the cover photo, they're wrapped around the cover, they're not shown here. So the client can flip through your album and enjoy the cover also. Some other features that we introduced is in the designer. If we bring up one of the spreads here, you now have the ability to lock the layout with this padlock. And now you can drag another photo in to substitute for another. So that makes it easier to, play around with the which photo suits the layout best. We also increased the size of the thumbnails from 1200 to 1800 pixels, so there's a little bit more detail. And regarding zooming, some people find the stepping of the zoom a little bit too coarse, so we also added a slider for zoom. So if you click on the handle, this thing appears, but you rarely have to click on this. Instead, use the left and right arrow keys to just make small adjustments to your zooming. Right, I'm going to undo that and then exit. So the last thing that I want to show is that in the export section, exporting will also export the cover photo. If you want to download the Photoshop script, it looks like this. The QT is already set because that's what I specified in Edit Cover. So you only have to choose the folder where your high-res photos are and where you want your spreads. And I did this already, so you don't have to watch it. But here's the generated file. So every spread and the cover appears in Photoshop and JPEG formats. Here's the the cover photo then in 100%. Okay,